I was just trying to enjoy a rare moment of peace, completely zoned out scrolling through my phone in my room when my mom totally bypassed the concept of knocking and barged in like she was on a high-stakes rescue mission. I immediately braced myself as she shifted into maximum helicopter mom overdrive, completely invading my personal space to aggressively smooth down my hair, inspect my face for imaginary signs of fatigue, and worry about whether I was eating enough. I tried to do the classic bob and weave, pulling away and throwing up defensive elbows to silently signal that I'm way too old to be babied, but she was absolutely relentless, going full cling mode and trying to wrangle me into an inescapable bear hug.